Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 30 useful verb collocations with come. Come to a compromise. To reach an agreement through mutual concessions. After negotiation, they came to a compromise on the budget allocation. Come into effect. To begin to be valid or operative. The new law will come into effect next month. Come to an agreement. To reach a mutual understanding or consensus. After negotiation, both parties came to an agreement on the terms. Come in handy. To be useful or convenient. Your umbrella will come in handy if it rains. Come clean. To admit the truth or confess. It's time for him to come clean about breaking the vase. Come close. To approach or be near something or someone. The puppy came close to me, wagging its tail happily. Come into view. To become visible or noticeable. The sun rose, and the mountains came into view in the distance. Come to mind. To think of something without making any effort. When I hear your name, memories of our childhood come to mind. Come first. To be the top priority or take the lead. I care about my job, but my family comes first. In this contest, being the most skilled ensures you come first. Come last. To finish at the end of a series or order. Despite practicing, he always seems to come last in races. Come early. To arrive before the expected time. To avoid the rush, it's wise to come early to the meeting. Come late. To arrive after the expected time. I'm sorry for coming late to the meeting. I got stuck in traffic. Come on time. To arrive punctually. Please make sure to come on time for the meeting. Come prepared. To arrive ready with necessary items or knowledge. Don't forget to come prepared with your homework for class. Come to a decision. To reach a conclusion or make a choice. After much debate, they finally came to a decision on where to eat. Come to an end. To finish. To finish. I wish the war would come to an end soon. Come to light. To be revealed or discovered. The truth about the incident finally came to light during the investigation. Come into play. To become relevant or applicable. His experience in marketing came into play during the product launch. Come into the picture. To become relevant or involved in a situation. New evidence came into the picture, changing the direction of the investigation. Come to life. To become lively or animated. The party only came to life when the music started playing. Come to terms with. To accept or reconcile with a situation. It took her some time to come to terms with the loss of her pet. Come alive. To become lively or energetic. The party came alive with music and dancing. Come undone. To fall apart or fail. Her plans for the event came undone when it started raining. Come to fruition. To be realized or completed. Their hard work finally came to fruition with the publication of the book. Come apart. To break or disassemble into pieces. The old toy started to come apart after years of use. Come forward with. To provide or offer something. She came forward with an idea for the school fundraiser. come out on top. To emerge as the winner or victor. Despite the competition, they came out on top in the tournament. Come clean about. To confess or disclose the truth about something. It's time for her to come clean about her involvement in the prank. Come to the surface. To rise or become visible. The submarine slowly came to the surface of the water. Come in peace. To approach without hostility or aggression. The protesters came in peace, holding signs for their cause.